Hey guys, how you doing? Got a article here released from 2024. Insurers reported on dog bite claims for the year 2024, and I was pretty amazed by the numbers. 1.6 billion with a B paid out in dog bite claims in 2024. Unfortunately, 90% are on children, which is a scary stat. And just reading out some of the numbers here. Dog bite and related injury claims last year totaled 22,658, which is an increase of 19% from the year before, which is 2023, and a 48% increase over the past decade, with total cost of claims reaching about 1.6 billion. The average cost per claim also increased 18% to right around $60,000. I'm sorry, 60,000 in 2023 to almost 70,000 in 2024. That cost has gone up 86% over the past decade. So I think it shows that, liability claims, judgments, when you start talking about verdicts and the cost of litigation increasing, that is shown in this number also for dog bites. Now, I'm a dog owner. I love dogs, right? I think a lot of I don't think the problem relates to dogs. I think the problem relates to people and the way that their dogs are trained and the way that they handle their dogs. I also think a problem, and my dog tends to be a little bit aggressive. She's a French bulldog, which, by the way, bullies are number 5 on the list of dogs that have the highest, or breeds that have the highest tendency to have dog bite claims. French bulldogs weren't named, but bullies were on there, and a French bulldog is a bully. But also, when I walk my dog and when I have my dog with me, people always want to pet her because she's super cute and they want to come up to her. And I always have to say, please don't touch her. Stay away. People, they stick their hands and their faces in the dog. It's like, well, what do you expect is going to happen if you do that, right? So I see both sides of it. Now, you may or may not know that most homeowners policies or renters policies cover dog bite claims under the liability portion of the premium of the policy. So those limits, you might see them typically being 100,000, 300,000. We try really hard to advise all our clients to carry 500,000 to 1,000,000 in personal liability and add an umbrella on top, so that if there's a bite that tends to be serious, or if you're sued because of, a dog bite claim, the policy will respond and you won't owe anything out of pocket. The problem is that if you exhaust your limits on personal liability on your home or renter policy, let's say it's 100,000 and the dog bite claim or the verdict is higher than that, you're going to have to pay out of pocket for the remaining loss. So I think it's really, really important that people understand that. The article goes on to say nearly 50% or 45.5% of U.S. households include dogs, which equals about 90 million dogs in the United States. So really important that people understand how their insurance policy protects them, but also how to protect themselves if they own a dog from that dog biting somebody, right? Especially children who may not understand safe space when it comes to being around animals or pets. So I kind of mentioned it before. Here's the top 5 dog breeds that lead to dog bite claims. I said bully breeds, right? I have a French bulldog. This includes American bulldogs, bull terriers, English bulldogs, boxers, mastiffs. Number 4, Chihuahuas. Believe it or not. I mean, I know we all know Chihuahuas are kind of nippy and super aggressive. They're small. So who knows if that could lead to a lesser claim, but any claim could be very serious. I mean, if a dog bites someone in the face or, causes any type of scar or issue, there could be a more serious issue rather than just a medical type or a claim that requires stitches or whatever it may be. Number 3, German Shepherds. Number 2 is Rottweilers. And number 1, I'm going to ask you what you think the number 1 breed that bite the most is. Go ahead and drop it in the comments. Let me know what you think the number 1 breed is that creates the most dog bite claims in the United States. Again, pretty serious stat. $1.6 billion paid out by insurance companies in dog bite claims in 2024. Almost 23,000 claims came into insurance carriers because of dog bites, with the average being right over $69,000 paid out. So serious stuff to make you aware of, especially if you're a dog owner. And hope this video was helpful. Please remember to comment. Let me know what the number one breed do you think is that creates dog bite issues. And of course, give me a thumbs up if you like my video. Subscribe to the channel so that you're made aware of any future videos that I release, both live and edited. Take care and have a great one. Stay safe.